So guys, this video I'm about to share with you is an amazing video. In this video, you'll notice that Islam and Christianity, there's a little bit different inside. So if you are new on this channel, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I upload the videos like this, you are the first person to have it. So please take a look of this video and don't forget to share with your family.
Everything you need to invest in MTN shares.
MTN shares. If you are interested in investing in MTN shares, then watch this video to the end. All the information you need to be able to invest in MTN shares is given here. Okay. Now, my name is Dr. Victoria Bentasi, and my purpose is to bring you information that's going to enhance your financial well-being. Okay. So before we go to MTN shares, if you need information, anything at all, any investment, shares, you say, you now comment, at a comment you say, I want to know more about investing in shares. If it's Ghana Gold Coin, I want to know more about investing in Ghana Gold Coin. If it's about child investment, you say, I want to know more about investing for my children. If you need more information on Treasury Bill, let me know, and I will DM you with this information. Okay. All right. So out of this, the information, the questions that I received daily from my comment section and my DM, about 90% of the people are interested in investing in shares. And out of this 90%, 80% want to invest in MTN shares. Either MTN share per other shares or MTN shares solely. So I said, let me do a video on MTN shares. Okay. Now MTN is a subsidiary of MTN Group, and it was listed on Ghana Stock Exchange on September 2018. And when you are listed on Ghana Stock Exchange, you have the right to trade your shares publicly. All right. So you asked me, should you invest in MTN shares? Yes. Why? Because it has solid foundation. It has very good indicators, which I'm going to share with you right now. Stay with me till the end. Okay. So what is happening is that when it comes to Ghana, MTN is the leading telecommunication provider in Ghana, and they are into the sale of credit, data services, and mobile money services. Okay, and all these three things they are into, they have the highest share when it comes to customer base. So 70%, to be specific, of Ghanaians are patronizing MTN and Ghana services. Okay, so that is it. And them having high customer base is translating into one of the factors why you should invest in MTN share is profit. Now, how do you make profits? Profit is made when you generate income, more income. When you generate income minus expenses will determine your profit. So the more you are generating income, the more you are making profit. MTN year-to-year increment, that is increment in their profit over the years, has always been high. They are always increasing. They are always doing better than their previous performance in terms of profit. Always they are doing better than their previous performance. So their last year-to-year increment was 26.3%, and they made a profit of 5.03 billion Ghana cedi. Okay, now that is it. The next thing is dividend. Do MTN pay dividend? Yes, MTN is always paying dividends. They paid the last dividend they declared was 3.18 billion, which was 24 pesos per share. 24 pesos per share. Now MTN has been paying dividends yearly. 2023 they pay dividend, 2024 they pay dividend, and 2025 too they pay dividends. Okay, so that aspect, dividend payment. And I always say that dividend payment is not compulsory. A shareholder, unlike bondholder who has a fixed rate that has been given to them for payment, fixed rate, we call it coupon rate. That amount needs to be paid every year. If you don't, if they have to pay. The firm has to pay. Shareholder payment of dividend is not compulsory. If they don't pay, it's not compulsory. I will not say they have nothing to lose, but they might lose. People might start selling their shares. But then then it's not compulsory, but yet they pay dividends every year. So I recommend if you want a dividend paying shares, then you go for MTN shares. The next thing is capital gain or capital appreciation. Now MTN started the year with 2 cedi 50 pesos Ghana cedi. 2025 January it was 2 cedi 50 pesos. Then it has increased. As of today, it's 2 cedi 93 pesos. 2 cedi 93 pesos, meaning it has 17.2%. It has appreciated 17.2%. It has appreciated 17.2%. Now the price of MTN share has been very volatile this period and this year. They're very volatile. It started by increasing. It increased even up to 30%. I don't know whether it went further, but as the last time I checked, then it started falling. And it fell. People were even asking, should I sell my shares and all that. I was supposed to make a video there to encourage people that as they should wait for it to fall to some minimum, then they buy. So because MTN will definitely increase back. Okay, so MTN will definitely increase back. And as it sits down, it is increasing. It has increased back, and it's now 2 cedi 93 pesos. Now, when it comes to shares, you should know that shares, one of the risk associated with shares is price volatility. Right? Their price changes. It's common with shares. Their price changes based on a demand and supply, based on what is happening in the market. Okay, so that one, yeah, it is a risk that you should take into consideration, but you should also know that it's normal when it comes to shares. All right. Now you ask me for how can you buy MTN shares? How? Now, for you to buy MTN shares, you have to buy it through registered brokers. Okay. Now I will just give you a quick one on brokers. If you want to know more about broker, their contact, how you can locate them, you DM me and I'm going to send you their contact and everything so that you can contact a registered broker, the ones that I've recommended. We have Ember Security Limited, okay, we have SBN Security Limited, we have UMB Stock Broker Limited, then we have Sapon Capital Limited, and we have IC Security Limited. Okay, so those are the brokers I recommend for you. And the disadvantage is like most of the brokers, we have a lot of brokers. Most of these brokers are located in Accra. They are located in Accra, so accessibility is difficult for people in other regions. And therefore, sometimes we recommend some apps that, remember, I'm a risk-averse person, so when I'm giving you information, I'm very careful. So the apps I recommend for you is IC WhatsApp, then Blackstar app. These are the two. The others, but let me just give you these two. Okay, let me just give you these two as a risk risk averse person that I am. Okay, so you can, if you have people that says we can work with that. Now the only challenge with this thing is the CSD account number. CSD account number. You are supposed to get a CSD account number when you are opening when you want to buy shares. So what is happening is that the firm, the broker themselves, they are not the ones who actually create this CSD account number. They all go to a particular source where they create it for them. So the full meaning of this CSD account number is Central Security Depository account number, and you need to get it if you want to buy bond or you want to buy shares. Okay, so to get this, it's like all the stockbrokers go to one source, so there's a queue there and it's making it difficult for them to get it. So many people are complaining that I see when they open an account and then they say they are going to get them CSD account. It's taking months, it's taking years, it's taking weeks. Yes, that's how it's going to be. But the easy way to get CSD account number is for you to buy treasury bill. If you bought treasury bill before, you can go and ask for your CSD account number. Then opening this account will be very easy. Okay, thank you.